At home, his family call him Pankaj, but to his friends, he's b-boy Sin. The 18-year-old student is passionate about American hip-hop and breakdance. He dances whenever he can, but it's not easy in his cramped house in Mumbai's most crowded slum. Several times a week, he heads into the city to find a better space.
I don't have much room to practice at home, and this is where my friends are too, and we can practice together.
His dance crew meets at the ruins of this old hilltop fort to show off their routines. They call themselves the Slum Gods. Unlike the famous movie Slumdog Millionaire, these breakboys or b-boys want to show there's more to slum life than poverty and a desire to escape.
Before we started to teach them breaking, some of the boys used to drink, get into fights and steal. But now they're totally committed to breaking.
The crew boasts dozens of core members from shantytowns across Mumbai, New Delhi and Bangalore. For many, it's more than just a hobby, but a chance to compete for cash and glory in competitions and even Bollywood films.
The boys from the slums work very hard, and we can see how much they practice to improve. Some might say, oh, they're from the slums, but for us b-boys, it really doesn't matter at all.
India's slums are a long way from the ghettos of the Bronx, where breakdancing was born in the 1970s. But like their American counterparts, for these Indian youngsters, it's a cheap and funky form of exercise and fun, and a break away from the pressures of daily life.